Hello student, in this video you will see solution of question number 13 and 14 of exercise 12.2 area related to circle. So in question number 13, in this question it has been said that a round table cover has 6 equal designs if the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square and use the value of root 3 equal to 1.7. Okay, so we have said there are a round table cover has 6 equal design. The radius of the cover is given us, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Then find the cost of making all the design at the rate of 0.3 per centimeter square. Okay, so we have here a circular table. We have 6 equal design, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here observing the figure of the design of circular design. So we will see this is look like a segment of the circle. Okay. This is a segment of the circle. Okay. This is a segment of the circle. Okay. So we have to find the area of one segment of a circle. Okay, is area one segment, and then after that multiply 6. So we will get the total required area of the segment. Okay, so here radius of cover is given us. Radius r is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, and now here central angle is required. So central angle will be central angle theta equal to, okay, this total angle is 360 and 360 divided into 6 equal sector. So the central angle of this sector will be 360 degree upon 6, which is equal to 6 is 36 60 degree. Okay, this is the central angle of the sector. Okay, now I will find area of one segment. Okay, so area of one segment, we know the formula. What is the area of segment? So area of one segment equal to area of one segment equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, this is the formula for finding the area of segment. So now substituting the value of theta pi r. Okay, so here theta is 60, so this is 60 upon 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 28, so this is 28 into 28 minus again radius is 28 into 28 into sin theta by 2, so this is sin, the value of theta is 60 degree, 60 divided by 2, so this is sin 30 degree and cos 30 degree, centimeter square. Okay, now simplify. So this is 6 and 6 6 are 36 and this is 7 4 are 28. Okay, so this is 1 by 6 into 22 into 4 into 28 minus this is 28 into 28, the value of sin 30 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 sin 30 is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2 into and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 centimeter square. So here we can cancel in 7 times. Okay, 28 in 7 times, and this is 1 upon 6 into 22 into 4 into 28 minus 28 into 7 into the value of root 3, use here root 3 equal to 1.7, this is centimeter square. Okay, so therefore area of 6 segment. Okay, this is the area of segment, and now to find the area of 6 segment, so this means we need to multiply 6 in this expression. So area of 6 segment equal to 6 into 1 upon 6 into 22 into 4 into 28 minus 28 into 7 into 1.7 centimeter square. So multiply 6 inside, so 6 cancel out, so remaining we are left 22 into 4 into 28 minus and this 6 into 28 into 7 into 1.7 centimeter square. Okay, 6 into 28 into 7 into 1.7 okay, then multiply 22 into 4 into 22 into 4 into 28, so we will get 2464 minus and product of 6 into 28 into 7 into 1.7, that gives 199.2. Okay, 199.2 centimeter square, and after simplification that gives the value of area of 6 segment equal to 4648 centimeter square. Okay, 464.8 centimeter square, and we have to ask cost of making the design. To find the cost of making the design, the rate is rupees 035 per centimeter square. So to find the area, to find the cost of design, this means total area is 464.58 centimeter square. So the cost of making the design equal to rupees 0.035. This is 0.35 into 464.8. Okay, is equal to rupees 0.35 multiplied by 464.8, so that gives 162.86. Okay, 162.86 rupees. This is the total cost of making the design of the area of the design here, 464.8 centimeter square. So this is the total cost of the design. Okay. Okay, this is last question of exercise 12.2. Question number 14. Treat the correct answer in the following. The area of sector of an angle P in degree of circle with radius R, which is correct option out of 4 alternative. If the central angle is P and radius R. Okay, so we know that area of sector of circle when angle is theta and radius is small r would be equal to, this is 360 into pi r square. So here we said central angle is P, so here theta replaced by P upon, this is 360 into, this is pi and radius replaced by r, so this is capital R square. So check which is same as P upon 360 pi r square. So this is not here. Here P and pi square are same, but here in denominator we have 180 degrees. So this is not correct. Here is P and this is 2 pi r, here pi r square and 360. Not correct. So here it have P upon 722 2 pi r square. So this means this is the correct option because we have multiplied 2 in numerator and denominator. So this is pi P into here 2 pi r square of 2 into 360 degree. So this is P into 720 degree into 2 pi capital R square. Okay, so option 4 is correct option. Okay.